Okay, this really isn't a full unboxing because there's been about 1,000 unboxings of this. As you know, plenty of people have this. I actually ordered this last year. This is February. So it took that long for it to get here because you know how hard it can sometimes be to get the Neo, and then you got to pay more because of the whole FAA so-called ban and everything, and DJI shutting down everything. Reason I actually want to open this, I just want to make sure everything is in here. Make sure, you know, because this is supposed to be the Fly More drone only package. I just don't like when things say drone only, but here we go. And of course, didn't get a clean break when I pull that. So let's go ahead and open it on up here. Let's see what I'm getting. I have no idea what's going on because it took so long. I ordered this, I mean, like literally last year. Literally last year. So it's been like 2 months. So I'm feeling good now already. I was feeling bad now because back when I ordered, you know, it's impossible to get these. These are really only like supposed to be 15 bucks. I had to order this separately as 85. I had to pay 85 bucks for it. Now they're down to like 40 bucks, but they're supposed to be 15 bucks. And now if you get the complete Fly More package, the price is down as of today. When this thing arrives, I could have gotten, you know, the complete package with the remote, and it actually would have arrived last year, and I would have paid less than I paid for everything. So I'm really ticked off. It would have arrived last year, but I already had multiple remotes because I have lots of drones. So anyway, got the batteries here. Okay. Yeah, I actually have a little bit of power. A little bit of power. Okay. So let's get in here. What we have. A lot of my unboxings are actually more CYA than anything else in case something's actually not there. Quick start guide should hopefully be the same as the Neo. Who knows, maybe I'll discover something about the Neo 2 that no one knew. Actually discovered an airflow problem in the Neo, and then on a product that kept getting 1-star reviews, I figured out why it was doing it, posted it, and then the review was rejected by Amazon. I couldn't figure out why. That was silly. It's like, wait a minute, I just figured out why all these things are getting 1-star reviews. Now, this is all I understand, and I didn't see this in any of the, it didn't have it in the thing. It said just drone only. It's got 2 propellers here, which is great. Looks like a possibly, it just says, well, I'm assuming this is an A and a B. Usually when you get some kind of Fly More package, you get a lot of propellers. It looks like you're only getting 2 here. I'm getting USB-C and the drone itself, and I should go grab the Neo. This does feel heavier. I don't know. So the little cover here is not as clear as the one on the Neo. So on the Neo, you could actually fly it with the cover on technically if you wanted to. Oh, and there's a little Phillips head screwdriver in there. I'm assuming for this, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on. So Looks like a little sensor here, a little sensor here, and I'm assuming there are sensors here. So you can tell. So look, okay. Yep, there's your stabilization on your camera, which is more the Neo. Probably should have brought the Neo down. It's got the battery on it already, and got a little bit of power. Yeah. And on the back here, your USB and your 4 little screws. Let's go ahead and open this up because it doesn't seem like you could. I still can't believe they made you have to buy this stupid little thing. And, you know, it's only $15, but of course, stupidly, for whatever reason, you can't get your hands on the damn thing. And then you gotta go pay ridiculous prices for it in order to do it. I mean, this should have been built in. It was built in for the Neo. Why wouldn't it be built in for the Neo 2? Make no sense whatsoever. So let's see here. Let's go ahead and go figure out where the, okay, the screws are already in there. So the screwdriver comes with the Neo. No screwdriver comes in the transceiver. That kind of tells you something. The screwdriver comes in the Neo, but not with the transceiver. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Am I the only one finding that interesting? Let me put this back on here. Fortunately, I'm taping this on my phone today instead of on my DJI Pocket 3. So I don't know if the Pocket 4 is going to come to the US. I think there's 2 versions of the Pocket 4. The one everyone's really waiting for, they did not seek approval. So we're going to get the one no one's waiting for the US. Right now I have, for my main business, I have a client who's from Canada. I may go like, hey, I know you guys go to Canada every once in a while. I think you can do me a favor and get this camera while you're there next time. See, this is the part I don't like. You gotta go, I gotta go. I mean, this is the size of the regular Neo. And I got several cases, and I don't think they're gonna work now. I gotta see if my accessories will work. Now I did check, and we'll have to see, but like my ND filters and stuff, supposedly they're supposed to be able to work on here, and I'll have to see. So let's see, how do we turn this sucker on? We got some new buttons here. So it's on. Oh, look, so you got the unactivated. Ooh, you got to activate this sucker. So I'm gonna have to hook it up. So I'm just gonna turn this off. So we ain't gonna do a full thing there. It's just an unboxing. And again, I was surprised that it came today because I kept getting little things. It's arriving on the 14th. Then it's arriving Tuesday. Then it's arriving Sunday. Then it's arriving Saturday. Then it's arriving Friday. Then it's arriving Saturday. Then it's arriving Sunday. Then this morning. Then it's arriving Tuesday. Then I get a notification from my door lock, which has, you know, can tell you that people are approaching. I pull up on my phone and it's like, I see the Amazon driver and it's like, ooh. So I run down. It's like, is this it? And this was it. And then, of course, I'm glad he actually delivered to the right house, because I woke up at like 5 a.m. a couple of days ago, and I go out, and it's like a bunch of packages from Amazon. I'm like, ooh, what's this? And none of them were for me. They were for the guy or a family across the street. Amazon's getting so bad now, you know. So anyway, I'm going to charge these, and then I'll activate. I'm a little mad. I had to go to a customer's place today, and I was really hoping this was going to come earlier, because I really wanted to fly this to make the video for my client, because they're in Taiwan, and I wanted to send this to him, to send that video to him. So anyway, that's it. This was just CY. I'm just going to go ahead and publish it anyway. But everything's in here. Maybe I'll make some more videos, but I'm still on the series on Pujiang Daoxian. Okay, thanks.